Hello children, today we are going to solve the exercise part 3rd standard SST subject 2nd chapter globes and maps. Here is checkpoint. Unscramble the letters and find the correct words. Here they have given the answer with the unscramble. We have to correct that words and write down here. So first one is a layer of air is called dash. So tell me, a layer of air is called as atmosphere. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. Second one, a small model of the earth is called as globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. A drawing of the earth is called as map. M-A-P, map. Then the last one is a book of map is called as atlas. A book of map is called as atlas. Now here is a picture study. Identify the picture. So tell me that which picture it is. Yes, it's a model of the earth that is called as globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. So what the globe help us? It help us to study different places. To study different places on the earth. Places on the earth. Yes, na children, the globe help us to study the different places on the earth. Move on to the exercise part. A option. Choose the correct options. First one, the earth is surrounded by a layer of dash. So our earth is surrounded by water, air or land. It is surrounded by the air. Tick the B option and write down here the spelling AIR. Second one, the earth has dash temperature. Nama earth yav temperature inda koodide? Moderate, extreme or cold. So it is in a moderate temperature. So answer we have to write down here moderate. Andre ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಂಪು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲ. Third one, a dash is a model of the earth. Map, globe, ocean. So answer is globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. A globe is a model of the earth. Fourth one, there are dash main directions. How many directions are there? 3, 4 or 5? There are 4 main directions. Which are those? East, west, north and south. Fifth one, maps are dash. Maps ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ? Flat, round, oval shape. So maps are in a flat shape. F-L-A-T, flat. Move on to the B part. Give one word answers. First one, a layer of air surrounding the earth. ನಮ್ಮ earth surrounding ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? That is called as atmosphere. That is called as atmosphere. Second one, a small model of the earth. The small model of the earth is called as globe. A drawing of the earth on a flat surface. That is maps. Map. A book of map is called as Atlas. Book of map is called as atlas. Then fifth one, an instrument used by sailors to find directions. To find directions is compass. COMPASS, compass. Move on to the C part. Answer these questions. They have given 4 questions as well as think and answer. We will solve this all the question answers now. So here answer these questions. First one, why is Earth the only planet to have life on it? Earth ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲೈಫ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ Earth is the only planet in the solar system to have life on it because of the presence of atmosphere and moderate climate essential for the survival of the living organism. ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, moderate temperature ಇದೆ, ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್. ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್. ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಅರ್ತ್ or a part of it on a flat surface. Flat surface ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. A globe is a small model of the earth. Globe ಅನ್ನೋದೇನದು? Model of the earth ಆಗಿದೆ. Second one, it is drawn on a flat surface. ಮ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಈಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಮ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು. ಬಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಅದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. So move on to the third question. How many directions are there and name them? So answer, ಎಷ್ಟು directions ಇದೆ? There are 4 main directions, namely north, south, east and west. At the top north, at the bottom south, at the right side east and the left side west. These are the main directions. Next move on to the fourth one. How can we locate a place on a map? Place ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು? We locate places on a map using the directions. Directions ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If we stand in front of a map which is on a wall, the top of the map shows the north, the bottom shows the south, the right side indicates the east and the left side shows the west. Just now I said when I am going to name the directions, I explained this also. So this is the answer of fourth question. Move on to the think and answer. First one, why is it difficult to study the earth only with the help of a globe? ಗ್ಲೋಬಿಂದನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋಬಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಒಂದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸನ್ನು ಶೋ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We can only see one half of the earth at a time on a globe. We have to rotate the globe to see the other half. For example, ivaga this is a ಗ್ಲೋಬ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಗ್ಲೋಬನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು, ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ globe. At a time we can't see all the places. We have to rotate the globe. So that's why it is difficult to study the earth only with the help of globe. We need a maps to study the earth.